Hi everyone, my name is Mythili. I am working as Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Accounting and Finance, Vellalar College for Women, E-Road. Now I talk about business economics. Then, what is business economics? Business economics is the integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by management. And another one is business economics, also referred to as managerial economics, generally refers to the integration of economic theory with business practices. And then definition. Then man's field, according to managerial economics, is concerned with the application of economic concept and economics to the problems of formulating rational decision makings. And in Douglas, according to managerial economics, is concerned with the application of economic principles and methodologies to the decision making process within the form of or organization. It seeks to establish rules and principles to facilitate the attainment of the desired economic goals of management. And then next topic is characteristics of business economics. Then it is classified into microeconomics, normative science, pragmatic, prescriptive, uses macroeconomics, and then last one is management orientation. And then what is mean by microeconomics? Microeconomics is the business economics. This is so because it studies the problems of an individual business unit. It does not study to the problems of the entire economy. And second characteristics is the normative science. Managerial economics is a normative science. It is concerned with what management should do under particular circumstances. It determines the goals of the enterprises. Then it develops the ways to achieve the goals. Pragmatic business economics, and then pragmatic is a concentration on making economic theory more application oriented. It tries to solve the managerial problems in their day-to-day functioning. Prescriptive managerial economics is prescriptive rather than prescribes solution to various business problems. And the next one is uses of macroeconomics. The uses of macroeconomics characteristics is also useful to business economics. Macroeconomics provides an intelligent understanding of the environment in which the business operates. Management orientation. The main aim of managerial economics is to help the management in taking correct decision and preparing plans and policies for the future. And next topic is scope of business economics. It is classified into two categories. There are microeconomics applied to internal or operational issues. Macroeconomics applied to external or environmental issues. And then first one is demand analysis and forecasting. Demand analysis is a process of identifying potential consumers, the amount of goods they want to purchase, and the price they are willing to pay for it. This process is important for an organization to analyze the demand for its products and to produce accordingly, and helping organizations in business planning and deciding on strategic issues. The second scope is cost and benefit analysis. By analyzing cost, management can estimate costs required for running the organization successfully. Cost analysis help firms in determining hidden and unforgettable costs and taking measures for effective cost control. Also help in determining the return on investment. And next scope is pricing decisions, policies and practices. Pricing is one of the key areas of business economics. It is a process of finding the value of a product or service that an organization receives in exchange for its product or services. The profit of an organization depends on a great deal on its pricing strategies and policies. Business economics includes various pricing related concepts such as pricing methods and product line pricing and price forecasting. Then next scope is what is meant by profit maximization. Then profit maximization is a main aim of every organization except for non-profit organizations. In order to maximize profit, organizations need to have complete knowledge about various economic concepts such as profit policies and techniques and break-even analysis. And the next one is Capital management. Organizations often find it difficult to make decisions related to capital investment. These decisions require sound knowledge and expertise in various economic aspect. It makes sound capital investment decisions. An organization needs to determine various aspects such as the cost of capital and rate of return. The next one is risk and uncertainty analysis. Business generally operate under conditions of risk and uncertainty. Analysis of risk and uncertainties helps the business firm in arriving at efficient decisions and in formulating plans on the business of past data and then current information and future problems. And the next one is scope of macroeconomics. The major scope of macroeconomics factors relate to the type of economic system, stage of business cycle is the general trends in national income, employment, prices, saving and investment. Government's economic policies like industrial policy, competition policy, monetary and scale policy, price policy, foreign trade policy, and then last one is globalization policies. Working of financial sector and capital market. Socio-economic organizations like trade unions, producer and consumer unions and cooperatives. Social and political environment. It is the business decision cannot be taken without considering these present and future environmental factors. Business decision cannot be taken without considering these present and future environmental factors. As the management of the firm has no control over these factors, it should be tuned in its policies in minimize their adverse experts. And then what is business economic system? An economic system is an organized way in which a country allocates resources and distributes goods and services across the whole nation or a given geographic area. It includes the combination of several institutions, entities, agencies, decision-making process and patterns of consumption that make up the economic structure of a specific community. Hence, it is a type of social economic. This framework not only determines how resources are allocated and goods are distributed, but also reflects the cultural, political and technological priorities of the society it governs. This is the structure of business economic system. It is include production, labor includes manufacturing, regulation, circulation, distribution. The regulation is classified into land and capital. This economic system is consumption, that means demand. Thank you.